Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and we're going to get right into this. This should be like a 5-10 minute job. It's a 2004 Chevrolet Cavalier 2.2 4-banger, and common problem is my cooling fan's not working, and I'm having some other issues. Coolant temperature sensor is the culprit of that. The cooling fan, however, will come on when the engine's dead cold. Started up cold, it'd be 30 to 40 degrees outside. The fan will come right on at times, and then whenever it's up to a certain temperature, 195 Fahrenheit degrees, that fan's supposed to come on, and it's not. It'll go way above 195 and the fan's not coming on. I know the fan works, I've checked it. I replaced the relay, still nothing. So went to the local auto parts store and picked up one of these. And as soon as the camera will focus, come on, there is your part number, SU112. So picked up one of these. It was like 20-30 bucks at the parts store, lifetime warranty. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into this. So the older 2.2, the alternator's up here. The coolant temperature sensor is located somewhere right in here in the head, right below it. This one, however, the newer style, it is located way back here, and I've actually already unplugged it. Zoom in right here. Right here is the sensor, and I've already unplugged it. It's a yellow and black wire, 2-wire connector, and it's clean. It's not leaking, but it's a 19mm deep weld socket. It's what takes it out. Alright, you want to do this on a cold engine. You don't want to do it when it's hot, you know, of course. The socket down in here. Move that connector out of its way. Coolant's going to come flying out of here, so you want to go ahead and get this broke loose. And then wow, that wasn't even tight. Definitely been replaced before. Should be able to get it out with my hand now. Nope. Let's try the socket. Looks like somebody's put Teflon tape on the threads, which is not a ideal thing you want to do because it's not going to make good contact ground. Not for these sensors anyway. Alright, so like I said, it's going to pour out coolant, so get the other one in your hand, because as soon as you take it out, it's going to come dumping out. Let's see if I can do this in one hand. Okay, now that's strange. Never seen one do that. Oh, there it goes. Now it's dumping out fluid. I was actually getting a little concerned there. Pull that Teflon tape out. Coolant needs to be flushed anyway. I'm not worried about it leaking a whole bunch. I got a whole gallon to fill it back up. Alright, so you kind of have to hold your hand on these, one of your hands on the fuel lines, push it out of the way so you get to the ratchet, but you get the idea. So now we're getting to the last bit where it's snug, just enough to crush that washer, and it's tight. You don't want to go any more than that. Aluminum threads, you could break them. So take the connector. Now, if you want to make a quick note that if there's stuff in this green in that connector, you want to clean that out with some electrical cleaner, and really clean that out before you plug in or replace the said sensor. But we should be good to go now. And if you got low in fluid, top it off and fire it up, see how it acts. $312,000 miles. That's already coming up to temperature. But the service light's on because the relay for the automatic driving lights is unplugged, because I have LED headlights and they flicker with that in, so I have to have it unplugged so that stays on all the time. Brake light's on because emergency brake. Traction control off is because emergency brake. Check engine light code is a cylinder 1 misfire. I've not figured that out just yet. I believe it's an injector, but at least that's what I'm hoping anyway. So that's it for this video. I hope this helps out for whatever you're looking for, if anybody's watching this, because I noticed there wasn't many repair videos for the later on models as far as replacing that sensor. So there you go. That's how you do it. Have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them as always. And like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one later. Just to show you it's not leaking. Good to go. Always remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Catch you later.